Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Constant Spring Road. Taking a look on the roadworks, getting an update basically. So we're currently on the newly refurbished bridge in Constant Spring Manor Park. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, and that will help the channel to grow as well. Remember to leave a comment in terms of what you think about the roadworks, in terms of the progress, and remember to like and share the video so more persons can see. So we're in Constant Spring Road. We're seeing some work still being done right here. Asphalt and pipes still being laid. Alright, so this is not a long video, just showing an update on the road works. So we're in Manor Park. So we have Manor Park Plaza over this side. We're heading down to where Constant Spring Market was. So Constant Spring Market is no more. So we have dual carriageway now, sidewalks. So over here is where Constant Spring Market was. Constant Spring Market is no more. Alright, so no more Constant Spring Market. Let's take a look down more. So we have the Constant Spring Golf Club over that side. Alright, so based on the last report I saw from National Work Agency, the road is 90% complete. So we're at 90% completion, so almost completely finished. Then it's just, marking, painting and polishing up work, and then we finish with Constant Spring Road. And I strongly believe that when they're completely finished with Constant Spring Road, when they're finished with Agley Park and 3 miles, I think the next road they should tackle is Mollines Road. So I'm the first one, or one of the first, advocating for Mollines Road redevelopment. I think it's well needed. That road has a lot of traffic. So I'm open, and I hope they have plans to then turn my lines road into 4 lanes, fix up the drainage, because every time the rain falls seriously it gets flooded. So this is Mana Park, or sorry, Mana Center over here. Clan Mart, Popeyes, Little Caesars. I think this road improvement has helped a lot with traffic. Constant Spring Road was very popular for traffic. So let me know what you guys think about this road development. Last week we did Agley Park, which is around 85 to 90% complete. This week it's Constant Spring Road, which is 90% complete. Leave in your comments what you think in terms of the quality of work, the progress of the work. We're gonna end the video somewhere here. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Subscribing is free. And let's see you on that next video. Alright, so the road works up the top is causing this bottleneck traffic here, but based on what I've observed, usually it would be more smooth flowing.